Welcome back to Automobiles, where we bring you the latest, most exciting vehicles from around the world. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2026 Kia camper van, a fresh contender in the adventure and lifestyle vehicle market. Known for practicality and modern innovation, Kia has stepped up its game with a camper van that's ready for both weekend getaways and full-blown road trips. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Kia camper van embraces a sleek yet rugged design. It's built on an extended platform that balances space and mobility perfectly. The front features Kia's signature Tiger Nose grille, now more refined and paired with sharp LED headlamps that give it a bold, futuristic look. The body lines are smooth, with aerodynamic curves that improve efficiency without compromising strength. Kia offers this van in a variety of earthy tones, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want their vehicle to blend with nature. The elevated roofline hints at the spacious interior, while the blacked-out alloy wheels and rugged side cladding give it a strong road presence. Roof rails and a solar panel setup are integrated beautifully, making it both practical and eye-catching. Step inside, and you'll find that Kia has done an excellent job of turning this van into a compact, comfortable mobile home. The interior is functional yet cozy, featuring a smart layout with high-quality materials. There's a compact kitchenette with a sink and induction stove, along with a convertible bed setup that easily transforms from a lounge space into a full sleeping area. Storage compartments are cleverly hidden within the floor and walls to maximize space. Though we'll keep the interior review short for now, it's worth mentioning that Kia's approach to design is clearly focused on convenience and comfort for long journeys. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2026 Kia camper van comes in 3 trims, with the base model starting at around $46,000 USD, mid-trim around $52,000, and the fully loaded version nearing $60,000. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, the price is justified by the features, tech, and versatility offered. Plus, Kia is known for offering excellent warranty coverage, making it a value-packed option for long-term use. As for performance, the Kia camper van comes with a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers around 275 horsepower. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and offers both front-wheel and all-wheel drive options. Despite its size, the van handles smoothly thanks to upgraded suspension tuning and electronic stability control. It's not meant for racing, but for a camper van, acceleration is surprisingly responsive, and it cruises comfortably at highway speeds. Fuel efficiency is estimated at 22 mpg city and 28 mpg highway, which is quite decent for its class. Overall, the 2026 Kia camper van is a solid blend of utility, comfort, and modern tech. It's built for travelers who want freedom without sacrificing functionality or style. If you're thinking about hitting the road in 2026, this van is definitely one to consider. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Automobiles for more in-depth car reviews and automotive updates.